Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix Touch ID not working on MacBook. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Ensure your fingers are clean and dry. The sensor's accuracy depends on clear and dry contact with your finger. So make sure your fingers are clean and dry before using Touch ID. If one finger isn't recognized, then try another. Solution 2. Check for Mac OS updates. For that, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the menu. Then click on System Settings in the drop-down menu. Here go to General. After that, tap on Software Update to check and install the update if one is available. If any update is showing here, then update it. If this solution doesn't work, then try the next solution. The next solution is to remove current fingerprint from Touch ID and start again. For that, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the menu. Then click on System Settings in the drop-down menu. Here click on Touch ID and Password in the sidebar menu. After that, click the fingerprint icon and then click on the cross button to delete it. Here enter your MacBook password. Here tap on Delete button in the pop-up menu. After deleting your fingerprint, then add your fingerprint again. Here place your fingerprint. Lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. After that, tap on Done button. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.